Hello everyone. When you want to import a vehicle, or maybe we have imported for you a vehicle, most of the vehicles, they come from UK, either the Land Rovers or maybe from the Japan market. And countries like the UK, they are located in very cold places. So when you are importing your vehicle, the tires, you need to change the tires, because there is a difference between the tires which are used in winter areas where it is very cold and snowy climates, and the tires that we usually use in arid areas where they have the hot climate, and they are primarily designed differently. And also the composition that is used to make these tires, the composition is made to suit the specific environmental areas. And the first thing that you can notice in winter tires is the thread designs. They have deeper and more aggressive threads pattern with larger gaps between the thread blocks. So this design is made to enhance traction on the snow and ice by biting the surface and evacuating the slush effectively. This is to enhance traction when the vehicle is moving, to increase that friction. Also, the tires, the rubber compound that is used to make those tires in winter areas, it uses a softer rubber compound that remains flexible even at low temperature. So this flexibility is the one that is used to improve the grip and now to enhance the traction on cold surfaces. So the vehicle is able to maintain that grip when it is moving in the cold surfaces. And this helps in handling and also in the braking. So those tires, the soft materials, they are engineered to provide the better handling and also shorter braking distance in cold weather. This is optimized to perform well in the raw grip conditions and typically in the winter climates. You will also notice that those tires, they are often marked. They have a marking to show you. So when you import that vehicle, there's that mark in the tires that you will see a mountain or a snowflake symbol on the sidewall. That indicates that they are meant for those very severe cold areas or in the snow areas. So if you import your vehicle from UK, when you import your vehicle, once it lands to Mombasa, if you want to drive that vehicle to Nairobi, you need to change the tires. Because let me give you a comparison of the tires that we use maybe in the Kenyan market, East African market, or generally the dry climate. The thread designs, they have often these thread patterns which has a shallower thread depth as compared to the ones which are used in the snow areas. So this shallow thread depth is designed and it is aimed at maximizing that contact between the load surface and thus reducing the heat buildup. Remember, we are going to drive these vehicles in these arid areas where the temperature is high. So most of the problems that we encounter in this area is the heat buildup in these tires. I know you have seen even some buses or some trucks. Sometimes even the tires become so hot and you can even see some of them, maybe some smoke coming from the rubber compound. So another thing is that the tires for this climate, the arid climate, the rubber compound is a little bit harder. And this is designed to withstand high temperature without this excessive wear. So this helps to prevent tires from becoming too soft and losing the thread drive in hot conditions. So they are also designed for high heat resistance. So this is to help to manage that heat buildup effectively. Remember, this hot asphalt and prolonged exposure to sunlight can significantly increase the tire pressure and also the braking. So the construction of this material the compound that is used to make these tires, which are going to be used in the arid areas, they are chosen in a way that they are able to dissipate the heat and maintain that structural integrity for proper gripping of the tires and the road. So these tires, they are optimized for dry road conditions, so to provide good traction, stability, and also the responsiveness in hot pavements. Remember, there are some pavements, maybe you are driving your vehicle in areas which is very hot, like maybe in a desert, or maybe some areas, there are some areas like even near the beach. So those areas are very hot. So that's why those tires, they are designed to withstand those hot climatic conditions. So once you import your vehicle, or your vehicle arrives, make sure to change the tires. Don't use those tires that we import your vehicles with those tires and you want to drive it. So always make sure you first change the tires to switch your climatic areas in which you are going to use your vehicle. So feel welcome for any consultation. If you need to import your vehicle from UK or Japan or any other country, just give us a call. We will help you to source the vehicle, to do inspection in that country. Our team there will help you to do everything, and we will make sure we have shipped you a good vehicle, and we also help you in clearance and any other consultation that you may need. Our contacts are in the video description below. Just call us or WhatsApp us. We are always there to help you and to guide you with all the process. Until next time, friends, happy driving.